Peace in your circle. Peace in your world. How you long for that day. We are striving to bring you peace, but it is uphill work. There is so much fear in your world. So many people homeless, starving, so much destruction, so much uprooting of what has taken centuries to produce, and a glimmer of hope. At last, some of your leaders are beginning to understand what they are doing to your world. It was never the intention of Spirit that your world should become a desert. It is a place where souls come to learn, where they take upon themselves a body of matter, and in that body they have experiences in the fulfillment of which they will learn. If they do not learn, then they will have repeat experiences. So it is with your earth. You have been told that it is on the way of progression, that it will move up in the order of evolution. But how soon that move will take place depends upon how soon mankind can learn to live with nature, can learn to regulate his circumstances, can learn that he has to cooperate with the forces of nature. Of course, this will take time. Time, as you term it. In the meantime, all that you are asked to do is to make the best of what you have got, and do your best to keep nature as it is intended, to respect the laws of nature, to work with it instead of against it, and to realize that you cannot take without giving. That has been man's downfall, that he has taken all that he felt he needed from the earth, and hasn't replaced it. But there is just a glimmer of hope that since he has realized what he is doing to the earth, he will begin to take steps to put it right. Peace is necessary so that the work can begin. Peace between nations, peace between peoples, peace between earth and spirit. Peace be with you.